Hey guys, this is Mark with Pillar Property Services Auction House in Council Bluffs, Iowa. I'm going to give you a quick walk around and demonstration of the QNT50R by CFG Industries. This is a fully enclosed cab unit, runs on gasoline, 2-cylinder engine here in the back, pivoting, boom, grapple bucket. Like I said, fully enclosed cab. We got interior lights, exterior lights, windshield wipers so you can work all weather. Nice little fan to keep you cool while you're working in there in the summer. Windows open. I'll jump in, fire her up, and show you what you can do.